In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a loan with a down payment in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through this in two main parts. First, we'll set up the accounts and record the loan itself. Then we'll record the down payment so that your asset value and bank balance are shown correctly. Make sure you already have an asset account like vehicles or equipment and a liability account for the loan set up in your chart of accounts. If not, pause and create those first so everything posts to the right place. Let's start by recording the loan. In QuickBooks Online, go to the plus new button and choose Journal Entry. At the top, enter the date of the purchase. This date should match the date on your loan agreement or purchase paperwork so your reports line up with reality. On the first line of the journal entry, click in the account column and select your asset account. This might be something like vehicles, machinery, or the specific asset name you created. In the debit column on that same line, enter the full loan amount. This represents the value of the asset you're putting on your books. On the second line, go back to the account column and this time select your liability account for the loan, such as car loan or equipment loan. In the credit column, enter that same loan amount. What you've done here is increase your asset and increase your liability by the same amount, keeping everything in balance. Once you've reviewed the date, accounts, and amounts, click Save and Close. Next, let's record the down payment. This is the portion you paid out of pocket, usually from your checking account. Go back to the plus new button and this time select expense or check, depending on how you want it to appear. At the top, set your checking account as the pay from account. This tells QuickBooks which bank the funds are coming out of. In the category or expense tab below, choose the same asset account you used in the journal entry, like vehicles or the specific asset name. In the amount column, enter the down payment amount you actually paid. This will increase the asset by the down payment and decrease your checking account by the same amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. By following these steps, your asset account will reflect the full cost of the purchase. Your loan liability will show what you owe, and your bank account will properly show the cash you paid as the down payment.